In this How to Make Money Online tutorial, I will teach you about how to earn up to $1,600 every single day using Google News without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text, and that is it. I will also reveal 2 more websites so you can earn 2 times more money than others. So like the video and let's start with the first step to make money online with this method. So first of all, I want you to head over to google.com. All of us know about Google. Now once you are there, go ahead and type in Google News. The first link that will show up is news.google.com, which is the official Google News website. Click on that first link and boom, you are now on the home page of Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news about anything and everything under the sun. World news, local news, business news, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. This is the legit Google website, and you can find all sorts of news on it. Now I know what you might be thinking. Why should I even care about this? How am I going to get paid by just browsing a news site? Let me show you how. So on the top of this page, you will see a bunch of news categories like world news, local news and all. But I will show you the best way to make money with Google News. So today, we are going to focus on the categories like business, technology, entertainment, sports and so on. Now, we need to click on one of the categories that we are interested in. Let's say we are checking out the latest tech news, so click on that category and you can see many different pieces of information about technology. And for the purpose of this video, we are going to check on the health category, so let's click on that and see what's cooking. As we scroll down, we are going to see some interesting fresh news articles about all things related to health. And let me choose fitness from there. And on this page, you can find many different articles related to fitness. Now, I want you to select the one that you find really interesting. Alright, this one caught my eye. Let's give it a click and see what's up. Now that we found the article, we will be working on to make money with it. And let me show you the most interesting part of this make money online method. And for this, our second step is to head over to spinbot.com and paste the text from the article you found into this left box of the website. Now, here's where the magic happens. Spinbot is special software that takes the article you just copy and pasted and rewrites it in your own words. Yes, you will have a completely new article with the same topic as the original one you found on Google News. But you might ask, why do we need to do this? Well, if we just copy and pasted the original article, we could run into some legal trouble because of copyright issues. And by using Spinbot, we avoid all of that and end up with a brand new piece of content, which is rewritten by Spinbot. So let me do that again. I will paste that article into Spinbot. I will click on Basic Spin, wait for a couple of seconds, and boom, you now have a unique blog post article, or whatever you want to call it. And I want to clarify something here. If you wanted to keep some words like names and numbers or quotes or anything like that, click on this icon right here and you can add what you wanted to keep. Now, you may need to give the article a check before using it, and that is why I recommend that you choose an article that you are interested in. Alright, so here's the deal. You can actually make up to $1 for each word of this article, and I'm going to show you how. But first, you want to copy this article and save it somewhere safe. Because we are going to be selling it to a couple of websites that are going to pay us big bucks for our words. These websites are going to give you $1 for every word you write. And I will also show you this bonus website where you can get up to $2 for each word of your article. And trust me, these articles can have thousands of words and you can earn $1,600 easily and effortlessly. So, once you've got this article safely saved, we are going to the next step of making some real money with these articles. But before we move further, like this video and select the giveaway that I have announced for you in the community post of our CashPro channel. In next video, I am going to make that giveaway happen. So, don't forget to like the post. Now the third step is to make some real money with these articles. And for this, the first website we're going to be using today is eatingwell.com. This is where things get exciting because they are going to pay you $1 per word that you write for them. But don't worry, you won't have to do any of the hard work yourself. You can easily write articles using Google News and Spinbot without have to face any copyright issues. And the best part is, you won't have to do any selling or affiliate marketing or any type of marketing at all. Stay tuned until the end because I have something exciting to show you. I will show you how to make money from an additional 2 different websites, and one of them pays up to $2 for each word you write. And they accepts articles on various topics like money, health and fitness, travel, personal finance, and much more. So you can make even more money by using multiple sites. Coming back to this website, eatingwell.com pay you $1 for each word you write. So, if you have an 800 words article, you will get $800. And the other website I'm going to show you pays $2 per word, which means you can earn up to $1,600 per article you copy and paste from Google News. It's super easy and you can do it from anywhere in the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, you don't have to spend hours writing articles or spend any money, and you can start making money right now. Okay, so now, you might be wondering how to actually get paid for your article. It's very easy. First of all, I want you to come over to creativewritingnews.com/eatingwell. Now if you scroll down a little bit on this website, you will see that eatingwell.com pay you $1 for each word you submit. Next, I want you to scroll up a little bit and you will see, are you ready to submit your articles and ideas to Eating Well magazine? Send your pitch to pitches@eatingwell.com or to theprep@eatingwell.com. Now, you will need to grab these email address mentioned on the website and send them each an email with the subject line as content submission or something related to that. In the email, just tell them that you have an article you want to submit and you are excited to hear back from them. To make it even more professional, you can use the template you are seeing on the screen right now. After that, just copy and paste your article into the email and hit send. If they'd like your article, they will reply to your mail and ask you for your payment details. Don't worry, since it's your own article rewritten by the spin bot, there shouldn't be any issues. You can choose how you want to get paid, PayPal, bank transfer, or whatever works best in your country. And you can literally start doing this right now as you watch this video. Just follow each and every step shown in this video. If you use the Google News with Spin Bot for submitting news every couple of hours, the earning potential is limitless. And if you take a look at the health category, you will notice that there are many subcategories that offer endless opportunities to make money. The more you do this, the more money you are going to make. Now, I also promise to share 2 more websites where you can submit your articles to make even more money. So, the second website is Popular Science, which is somewhat similar to eatingwell.com but has a faster submission process. You just need to send queries and after they reply, you can submit the whole article. So on this website, we can see their email address, which you can see on the screen right now. And you can submit your query with your contact details to this email address. Again, you can stop this video and you can use the template you are seeing on the screen right now to submit an article to the Popular Science website. On this website, you need to focus on technology-related topics. So, I want you to go back to Google News and I want you to go to the technology from there. And you want to look for something that catches your attention. For instance, let us choose this article and copy it from there. Then, paste the article into Spin Bot and let Spin Bot rewrite the whole article in your own words. This will help you to create an original and engaging article that can be submitted to the Popular Science website. And you don't have to worry about copyright. Everything we are doing here is totally legitimate as long as you are writing in your own words and making it unique. Okay, so the last website we are going to use is aarp.org. If you want to know how to submit your articles to them, just go to their website and check out their writer's guidelines page. Or you can just simply visit to this URL you are seeing on your screen right now. Here is the cool part, they pay up to $2 per word you write. That's more money than the other websites we have talked about. Plus, they accept articles on a wide range of topics like health, fitness, travel, and much more. You can just copy this email mentioned on this website and send your article on that mail to make even more money with this website. Now what you want to do is submit your articles to all 3 websites, eatingwell.com, Popular Science, and aarp.org. But make sure you submit different articles to each website because they won't accept the same thing twice. And even if they only accept 1 article per day, you can still make hundreds of dollars a day. Of course, not every article you submit will be accepted because they might already have something similar on their website. But hey, no worries, you can start doing this right now for free and get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. There is no need to sell anything or do any affiliate marketing and all. Just copy and paste and send an email. If you can do that, you can make money with this method of Google News. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.